हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम देव। आई एम गोइंग टू डिक्टेट यू डिक्टेशन। और अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें। बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। 5 4 3 2 1 स्टार्ट। The instant appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 22nd November 2012 passed by the Division Bench of the High Court of Delhi, holding that once the rural area is urbanized by issuance of a notification under section 507 within bracket A of the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act 1957, it ceases to be governed by the provisions of the Delhi Land Reforms Act 1954 in sequel thereto, and held that the proceedings under Act 1954 were non est, leaving the parties to agitate their claims oblique disputes before appropriate fora, clarifying that all pleas in law shall remain available to the parties before the appropriate forum. Para. The facts in seriatim as manifest from the record are that one Maman Singh, who was a recorded bhumidar of the land at measuring 4 bighas 18 biswas in Khasra number 6/19/2 in village Samepur, Delhi, as alleged sold the land to one Bhai Ram Wide, registered sale deed dated 9th March 1970. Stop. The respondents Narayan Singh and Som Dutt have purchased 2 bighas 18 biswas and 2 bighas respectively from Shri Maman Singh by a registered sale deed dated 4th May 1989. Stop. Later, they applied for mutation under Act 1954 and their names were mutated on 31st May 1989. Stop. It has been pleaded by the appellants that before the registered sale deed dated 4th May 1989 came to be executed by Maman Singh in favor of the respondents herein, and their names were mutated on 31st May 1989, the appellants had come into possession over the subject land. Stop. The appellants later challenged the mutation order dated 31st May 1989 opened in favor of the respondents, claiming adverse possession by filing appeal under section 64 of the Act 1954. Stop. After certain rounds of litigation, the Financial Commissioner set aside the order of mutation passed in favor of the respondents by order dated 10th February 1995, holding that the transfer was in contravention of section 33 of the Act 1954, and further ordered the land in dispute to be vested in Gaon Sabha. Stop. It is relevant to mention that the order of the Financial Commissioner dated 10th February 1995, wherein it was observed land in dispute ordered to be vested in Gaon Sabha, was never challenged by the appellants, whereas the respondents challenged the order dated 10th February 1995 by filing writ petition within bracket civil number 670 of 1995 before the learned single judge of the Delhi High Court, which came to be dismissed by judgment dated 14th July 2008, and that became the subject matter of challenge at the instance of the respondents assailing in LPA number 591 of 2008. Stop.